I'm wanting to plant tulips this fall. What is the best way to deter chipmunks and squirrels from eating tulip bulbs? And this is Lori from Knoxville, Tennessee. Well, Lori, you know, Mr. Lee knows a little something about planting tulips, but do you know something about deterring those chipmunks and squirrels as you're doing that?
Yeah, I would go to the hardware store and buy some chicken wire, which has about an inch opening, and cover that after you planted the tulips, and then cover that up with mulch, so the squirrels can't dig through that wire and dig up the tulips.
So chicken wire. I wonder if you can use hardware cloth.
Hardware cloth might be a little bit too small of an opening for the tulip foliage to come out through.
Good deal, because you want the foliage to come through, right? Right. So with that being said, I do know some master gardeners that have actually planted tulips in little cages. Right. But the cages are, of course, big enough to allow the foliage to come up through it. Right. So yeah, I would definitely, probably go the route of the chicken wire, or maybe the little cages, the little baskets. Make sure you plant them deep enough. Because those chipmunks and squirrels can be tough.
There's no chemical remedy that you can do to that. You just have to do a physical barrier. Right.
So just cover that area, and I think you'll be fine, Ms. Lori. Because those repellents, they hit or miss. Because we're talking about outdoors, right? So if it rains or anything like that, you put those repellents down, they just wash out. You have to reapply. Doesn't work that well. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. To subscribe, click below.